In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a spin wheel on Whatnot. Now, I find the best way to do this is to open up a browser and go to Wheel of Names. Now, once we want to customize this. So we can customize it by choosing the customize bar here, and we can have the spin time in seconds. We can have the volume up and down, the sound. We can change it from random music, drum roll, might do drum roll, max number of names visible on the wheel. You can also change the appearance, and after spin, we can change all that. So go ahead and play around all these settings. Now we can go ahead and edit the text in here, so we can change these names to whatever you want it to be changed to. Now from here, we want to go ahead and use OBS and add this wheel as a source. So I'm inside OBS. Now I want to go ahead and click on that little plus icon. From here, I want to go ahead and find a browser as the source. Now this is going to be called spin wheel. You can give it any name and then click OK. Now you want to go ahead and set the width to 1280. And then the height should be at 720. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click on OK. So now you've just added a browser source. Now, once you've got this here, you can go ahead and make it smaller if you like, but I just like using it this size. Now, we haven't set the browser source, so go ahead and click on the spin wheel, and then from here, go to properties, and now paste in your browser source here. So now to get that, I'm going to come here, get Wheel of Names, and then come back to OBS. And now I'm going to paste that in here, and then hit OK. Now you can see that spin wheel is located here. So yeah, you can go ahead and position and style the wheel inside of here. So resize the spin wheel by dragging the red border in OBS. Move it to where you want, bottom corner of full screen during spins. Optional, you can add a crop filter to remove any extra parts of the web page. So you can go ahead and right click the spin wheel source, go to filters, crop pad and adjust. Now while streaming, switch to your browser with Wheel of Names open, click to spin. The OBS browser source will update live and viewers will spin in real time, announce the winner and keep the energy up. And also to interact with the spinner wheel, we can go ahead and right click it, click on interact. And this is how we can interact with the wheel. So if you want to go ahead and spin it, press the middle, and now it's going to make that noise that you've set and pick out a winner. And then after that, you'll see it should have a applause for the winner.